Previously on MokenchiVlogs.
Tiana. Hey, boo. Hey, boo.
It's snowing. Can you see it? Oh, wow, it's a lot. It looks hideous on camera. It looks hideous. Any clothes baskets just up there. Any teddy bears. Ooh, see my teddy bears? Oh my goodness, I can't wait till Kiona gets older. We're going to have some fun with teddy bears. Anyway, no appointments today because it's snowing outside.
Yep. Snowing.
Excuse me, can you stop shaking the table? I don't want my coffee to spill on my computer. Okay. I've destroyed several computers that way with Pepsi. Several. Several's no lie.
You said I destroyed several computers. You went,
I have several computers spilling Pepsi on the keyboard. And it's happened several times where I've spilled Pepsi on the, and it's always been Pepsi, always. Spilled Pepsi on the keyboards. I've spilled several different amounts over several periods of time, and you'd think I'd learned my lesson by now. But anyway, we had to reschedule our appointments today, so we're just working on the computers because it's snowing outside. It's a little bit delayed for us, but see our little setup here in our room, in our cluttered room. I'm working on the vlog. Yes, what am I doing with the cup of water? Oh, by the time y'all see this, you probably already know. Got my acetone out. Need to do some videos. And boobs. Look at them dings.
my milkshake brings on. Don't share that, Mogi.
I am. Okay. Look who's up, and she's trying to get places. Where are you trying to get to? Look at the camera. Ooh, big burp. Look, oh, she clearly wants to go that way. See how she tries to move with her head. And I'm like, Kiona, just take your time. She just wants to go. At least she's getting used to the camera. Oh, she's trying to get someplace. Kiona, I have to hold you. Yeah, you see yourself in the camera? Do you see yourself in the camera? Look at the stuff on the table. Nice looking stuff on the table. See the phone? Can't grab it yet? Nope. And it is snowing like crazy outside our window. Outside our window. Our broken window. Well, actually, that's not the outside. Let's see. That's not the outside window, but it's still broken. Oh, we got some progress. At least she's not holding her feet up trying to get away from it.
Yeah.
Here. Take it, Pinky. Yeah, she's been liking Snowball. We call this him Snowball or her. Snowball, her teddy boyfriend.
Teddy boyfriend?
Yep, she been cuddling with that in her book. I don't think she can reach this. I wonder if we gotta put them on the ground, on these ones, so that she can have tummy time. I'm gonna try that. I don't know. I think she's reaching for it. Oh, I should. Look, she's reaching for it. She is. Oh, she's Mama's girl. She wants the purple one. Mommy's girl. She wants the purple one. So I don't want to be face down on the mat.
Yeah.
She's trying to get the purple, the hippopotamus. Is that what that is? The hippopotamus? Let me see if I take it off. If she'll get it. Yeah, see? She's after the hippopotamus. Whoops, not even. She's trying to roll over to get the hippopotamus one. Yeah, get it. You trying to get this one? Nope, she don't want that one. She wants the hippopotamus. Yeah. Oh, she's grabbing that one. Look.
Oh, I see. Oh.
Now she's falling asleep. I think. Or not. Look, she's pulling it. I wonder what would happen if I took them off the hooks of shoe. She's trying to pull it. Hang on a minute. Oh yeah, the dog's chewed up the one that's I Love Diddy. Gotta get a new one. There you go. Let's see what she does with it. She keeps spitting this thing out, and then she wants to put it in her mouth, but she can't. She don't want me to put it in her mouth. She wants to put it in her mouth. Because sometimes she'll have it like that, and then put her face over it and get it in her mouth herself.
Yeah.
Look at her. I think she's trying to get the ears or something. Or is she still trying to get the hippopotamus?